Alabaster has traditionally been a specialty here. Fine galleries show off the expertise of local artists. To see sculptors in action, drop by the Powdery Alabarte workshop, where Roberto and Giorgio turn rock into art. Alabaster, quarried nearby, has long been a big industry here in Volterra. Alabaster is softer and easier to work than marble. Long appreciated for its translucent quality, it was sliced thin to provide windows for Italy's medieval churches. Just up the street at La Vena Divino Wine Bar, Bruno and Lucio devote themselves to the wonders of wine. They share their vino and their love of music with a fun-loving passion. Each day, this wine-sipping duo opens 6 or 8 bottles of the best local wine and serve it to the local gang with a charismatic flair. This is your chance to compare 2 favorite Tuscan reds, Brunello di Montalcino and Super Tuscan, with the help of a good teacher.
Brunello di Montalcino is traditional wine in Tuscany. It's Sangiovese grapes. It's only Sangiovese grapes. Sangiovese Grosso from Montalcino, and traditional. Aged 5 years.
So the Brunello is all Sangiovese?
Only Sangiovese.
So, and explain to me the Super Tuscan.
Super Tuscan is Tuscan wine, but with international grapes, Cabernet, Merlot, Syrah. It's possible with Sangiovese grapes.
It's open for creativity. A little Tuscan, a little French, Spanish, who knows?
Ci frega